Hi, today I eat this one of a kind.
Itu dia讲话
Put up in Korean.
啊，
Camera.
No, no, that video.
Eating this one. Eating this one. And thank you for the 2.8k viewers to watch my video. I posted since on few days ago and I saw some people like my video.
Have this.
And then today I eat this, which I buy from behind Winsoon, Giant Mini. Cost me $4 for one cup of Maggi. Today I eat this without drinking anything, which you can find in mee goreng. I tried it a lot of challenge in my YouTube, but now see how many people will see my video. And please subscribe, like and thumbs up to my video. After this finish, I'll be posting on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. Same like Maggi mee. Very nice. Up close, give you really hungry. Getting typing I also fine, but different flavor. Aman. Ini tinggal 3 warna ya, Pak. Jadi I eat together with the silbak.